name is Samuel Okulujaba, Head of Marketing, Communications, Alumni and Corporate Relations for CEIBS Africa. It's my pleasure to invite all you top HR practitioners in Ghana to our upcoming HR Tech Workshop, which will be held at the CEIBS Accra campus. This event is organized by OpenLabs, CEIBS, and then HR Network. We are looking forward to discussing very important issues around the role of HR practitioners in the fourth industrial revolution. So please look out for the link in this caption below or beside wherever you find it attached to this video, and register, and let us make this happen on the 9th of June. Thank you.